Now, the first thing that we are going to revise for the day before starting with the hands-on activity is range of the cell. So as you are able to see over here, column D and column E, there are several rows that are selected. So these are called as range. Showing you a hands-on practice over here. I have already prepared this particular table. We require to prepare the same table for the hands-on activity during a computer class. So as you are able to see over here, if I select from A1 till the last marks of G, so from A1 to G6, as you are able to see below 5 undo and redo option, you will be able to see the range of the cell, that is name box, and the shortcut, that is Control plus J. So as you are able to see over here, there is not one particular cell, but instead there is a group of cells. So this particular group of cells are basically called as range of cells. Done. So what is a range of cell? A range is a group of blocks or cell in a worksheet that have been selected. So as you are able to see, I have selected this particular group of cells, hence it is called as a range. Now moving ahead with the presentation. To select a range of the cell, follow the following steps. Click on the upper left corner of the range. So first I will be selecting A1. After selecting A1, just click the mouse button and drag till the last corner. So hold down the shift key and or drag the mouse diagonally opposite to the lower right of the cell. This we have done. Now I'll show you using the keyboard. So I have selected this, and on the keyboard there will be two keys, shift and the right arrow. So you are able to see as soon as I press shift and right arrow, now I'll be pressing the down arrow key. So if I press the down arrow, you will be able to see that it has been selected. Done. So in this particular manner, we are able to select the range of the cells. Now moving ahead and going on to the other part called as sorting of data. Now what do you mean by sorting? Sorting is a type of feature in Google Sheets that allow us to arrange the data. Now in how many ways we are able to arrange the data? Basically, there are two ways by which we are able to arrange the data. Either we are able to arrange the data in ascending order, that is A to Z, or in descending order, that is Z to A. Now, there are two types of sorting, ascending and descending, and this sorting can be done in two different types of ways. Sorting can be done on one column or sorting can be done on multiple columns. So first, now as you are able to see over here, this is Smith, Jill, Joe, Jack and Alan. This particular data is not arranged in alphabetically wise. So what I do, I select this particular, then go and sort Z to A. So if you are able to see first Z to A, that means it is in descending order. I'll select over here, then I'll go in Z to A. So you are able to see Alan comes last, and if I go from A to Z, then you will be able to see that Alan comes first. Now again A to Z, you will be able to see that Alan comes first. I am doing Control Z because the headings is coming down. Now if you want to select or if you want to sort, first select all the columns, whichever columns you want to select, then go in data. After going in data, we require to go for sort, and I'll be selecting or sort range, advanced range sorting option. Now as soon as I click over here, you will be able to see sort range from A1 to A6. Now A1 to A6 was the range of the cell that we have already selected. Coming down, you will be able to see data as header row. Now have we given headers? Yes, we have given the headers. Row number, name, subject name have been given. So again, going in data, sort range, advanced sort range, we have to click on this particular part. If I'm not clicking on this, you will be able to see column A, B, C, D, E, F, G. As soon as I tick it, you will be able to see roll number, name. Now I require name to be A to Z and I require to click on sort. Now you are able to see Alan comes first, then Jack, Jill, Joe and Smith. And now you are able to see that the columns are not coming down. So in this particular manner, you are able to select the sorting column on one particular column. One more time, I'll be showing you. Select the entire range, go in data. The second option, sort range, and over here we're required to go on advanced. We're required to click on the data as header row, and then I will be clicking on roll number, and this time Z2A. So roll number 5 will be coming first. 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. So I have shown you column on one particular, sorting on one particular column. Done. We have done sorting on one particular column in which I have shown you A to Z, Z to A. Now we will be moving to another type in which I will be showing you multiple column. Now, how to go for multiple column? Very simple. As you are able to see in the hands-on activity, the range of the cell is already selected. Step number 1, I go on data. Step number 2, I click on sort range. Step number 3, I will go on advanced range sorting. Step number 4, we require to select the data header row. Now we require to select by which thing we require to sort. So first I am selecting name. In name, I will be going for A to Z so that Alan comes first, and as you are able to see over here, Alan is at the last. So if I go for A to Z, Alan will be first. And then you are able to see over here, add another sort column. Now it is up to you. We can select, suppose if I select computers, I will be going Z to A, click on sort. Now you are able to see over here, Alan, Jack, Jill, Joe and Smith comes in the ascending order. But computer marks, because the first preference goes to this particular part, so might be this won't be sorted correctly because the first preference has been given to the name part. So one more time, Control Z, select the entire range of the cell, go in data, sort range, advanced sort range, roll numbers, descending, add another column, name, also descending, and then sort. Now you are able to see both the things have been sorted properly over here. So it depends upon how we are going to sort the data. So either it can be sorted using one column or multiple columns.